Hello viewers and welcome to yet another video. To all my subscribers, as usual, I want to say a big thank you for your support so far. For persons who are watching my channel for the first time, I want to welcome you also. And if at the end of this video you find it to be informative, I want you to like, share and subscribe. In this video, I'll be talking about motor vehicle servicing. In particular, when your vehicle needs to be serviced, do you know exactly what is involved? Are you aware of the typical servicing parts that are required in order to service your vehicle? If you're already aware, well, that is good news because the knowledge that you have will potentially save you hundreds of dollars. However, for those who are not fully aware, then this video is definitely for you. The service items that your car needs are usually required are the engine oil filter, spark plugs, air filter, gas filter for some vehicles, transmission fluid, transmission filter occasionally. Motor vehicle technology has changed a great deal, and the service intervals for a lot of vehicles now is very long. For example, the vehicles use high tolerance iridium plugs, and these plugs can last for a long time, perhaps up to 2 years. Also, as it relates to most of the vehicles that are made now, the gas filter is actually found in the gas tank. So unlike all the modern vehicles that you would service the filter, most of the modern day vehicles, the gas filter is actually found in the tank. Also, as it relates to transmission, the transmission are coming sealed, or they are inaccessible to the average motorist. So it's very difficult to service the transmission. Since we're talking about servicing, the question must be asked, how do you know, or how can you tell when your vehicle needs to be serviced? Some vehicles will actually tell you that it needs to be serviced. So the warning service light indicator will actually come on, and that will alert you that it's basically time for the vehicle to be serviced. Additionally, if you keep track of your motor vehicle mileage, that is also a good indicator, as manufacturers tend to provide information about servicing intervals. Also, if you have purchased a brand new vehicle, the dealer will actually tell you when to bring in the vehicle. And failure to do this could actually result in your warranty being void. And the third method, and this is the one that I think most motorists actually follows. It's time to service the vehicle when the vehicle becomes lazy, it becomes sluggish, it accelerates poorly, and you realize that fuel consumption also increases. Today I'm gonna be giving you a bit of a quiz, and here is what the quiz is about. If I give you 3 options to choose from to help improve the performance of your vehicle, which of these would you actually choose? So if I gave you engine oil, spark plug, and air filter, and you could only choose one to help to boost the acceleration of your vehicle and to restore the power that you think that the vehicle has lost, which would you choose? Now, all 3 are actually important, for immediate boost. But the one that I'd actually recommend, air filter. Why would I change or service the air filter? In order for a vehicle to burn effectively, you need air, you need fuel, and you need spark. A clogged air filter will seriously restrict airflow. And without the proper airflow, the fuel will be sprayed into the engine. However, you will not have complete combustion because there's insufficient amount of oxygen. So you're going to have incomplete combustion as only a portion of the fuel in the engine will be burned. And that will definitely result in power loss. In addition to the incomplete combustion, what you're going to have happening is that there will be unburned fuel, which will be wasted. And all of these things combined will definitely result in higher fuel consumption and, loss of power. So my advice is that if it is that for whatever reason it's not possible for you to do a full servicing of your motor vehicle, the one thing that you can actually do that will definitely assist you and help to restore the power of the motor vehicle is to at least start off by changing the air filter. If you benefited from the video, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. As usual, until we meet again, be safe.